Let's make egg sauce and boiled yam. Simple and tasty. I already have my yam peeled, cut into slices, well rinsed, salt added, and I'll boil for about 25 minutes. While that's cooking, I'll chop my fresh tomatoes. I'm using 2 large tomatoes, a medium-sized onion, and a quarter of a Scotch bonnet pepper just for mild heat. You can adjust the pepper to your taste, so I will dice them into small sizes. This pepper is really hot, so I'm just going to use a quarter of it. I don't want it to be too spicy. Now I transfer them into a plate and put in the microwave for a few minutes just to steam up and to remove every excess water because I really want it dry. Heat a little oil, add a small size of seasoning cube, allow that to dissolve, and poured in the chopped onion, pepper, and tomatoes. So I added salt to taste and a tin of sardines to boost the flavor. Once the sauce is ready, I crack my eggs. I'm using 4 eggs for this video. That would serve 2 to 3 people. I also like to add milk to my egg. It's optional. So I gave it a beat and then poured my beaten egg into the sauce and gave it a stir. Don't overcook, just until it's set. Give it a stir again. Stir it continuously just so it doesn't stick to the pan. And that's it. Serve your egg sauce with the boiled yam. You can also enjoy it with plantain bread, potatoes, rice, pasta, or spaghetti, just how you like it. It's super flexible and always delicious. So follow for more home recipes from Home Zone. Thanks for watching.